This playlist is about the GPT for Sheets tool known as bulk web search. If you're unfamiliar with GPT for Sheets, I'll put a link in the comments to help you get started. I'll also put a link in the comments to this Google Sheet, which is a table about U.S. presidential elections from 1992 through 2024. The column headings, or headers, direct you to information about the year of the presidential election, the major party candidates in that election, the percentage of popular vote for each candidate, the electoral votes each candidate received, the crucial states in the election, and the winning strategy for the winning candidate in the election. And all of this information was collected using the GPT for Sheets tool, bulk web search. I didn't have to manually do any searching to find this information. In the following videos, you'll learn how to create this table using GPT for Sheets, bulk web search.